Will you please count? 1, 3,
4,
5, 7, 9, 10.
10.
Now you start.
A, B, C, D.
Okay. A, B.
C, D, E, P,
Q, R, S.
Q, L, X.
And what comes last? Y and? Y and?
D.
Yes. Can you count? You start with 1. 2. What are you doing? Can you